of the Toronto Auto Show.
Mark actually just found something awesome.
Here we are.
Do you know how we've been getting Cisco?
Oh, we found a Ferrari here. We have a Ferrari. There. That's nice. That's very nice.
Oh, it has to be good. Yeah.
This is really nice. Wow. Win. I want to win. I want to win a Ferrari. So this place is kind of cool. I've been here. This is my 7th year being here. Okay, we're going into Supercar Land.
Go this way to start. Oh my God, Luke. The Porsche is like the one I had a chance at. So after I was at 28,
automobile.
and I almost traded in a Porsche.
We have a classic 911.
This used to be my favorite.
Look at these. Look at these. That's nice. This is really nice. Ooh, we have some Lotus. We have some Lotus Elise. Or not Elise. I just like the Elise, so I said Elise. Only $200,000 for the good price of $200,000. Yeah. We have more Lotus Evoras. Okay, we got more Lotus Evoras. Ooh, McLaren. We got McLaren.
He owns the company. 15 years for his camera. Started taking camera. He's always loved cars.
Ooh. This is.
What's a Jaguar, Luke?
Can't even see. I can't even see.
Fall in line and take our turn.
I can't see. But what I can see is this. And more Lotus. There's so much Lotus. Isn't that right, person? That's about to
There is.
It's insane.
What is that?
You're in line. Just gonna take my hat off. This is how long the line is to take pictures. Ooh, we have a nice line of cars right here. Rolls Royce person's cannot stand on camera. That's nice. This is nice. Ooh. Let me see. Back of a McLaren, a Porsche, a Lamborghini, and some people. Green. It is nice. Very nice.